Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be about this trending Gele, and I've already pleated about 3 to 4 pleats and placing it on the model's head, and then I'm going to cross it on the back of her head. This is a 70-30 ratio. I'm going to give the model the 70 ratio to hold for me while I wrap the 30 ratio and secure it with a pin, a couple of pins. So now I'm going to take that 70 ratio part and start creating the pleats in a fan-like manner. Just going to keep creating the pleats until I get to the end where there's no more pleats to create. I'm going to go back and arrange the pleats just to make sure everything is in place, and we're done. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, like, leave a comment, and tell me what kind of video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.